Understanding Operational Gear, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, operational gear. Whether you're into adventure, technology, or just love expanding your English vocabulary, this video will shed light on what operational gear means and how you can use it in your everyday conversation. So, let's get started. Operational gear refers to the equipment or clothing used for specific operations, especially in professional or technical contexts. Think of soldiers wearing bulletproof vests, firefighters with their helmets, or a hiker's high-quality boots. These are all examples of operational gear. It's not just about the item itself but also its purpose and functionality in a particular setting. 1. Military. In the military, operational gear includes items like uniforms, weapons, and night vision goggles. These are essential for the safety and efficiency of military operations. 2. Emergency services. For firefighters, paramedics, or police officers, operational gear can range from protective clothing to life-saving tools. 3. Outdoor activities. For hikers, campers, or mountain climbers, operational gear includes tents, climbing ropes, and suitable footwear. When talking about professionals, the soldiers check their operational gear before heading out on the mission. Discussing hobbies or activities. Before our hiking trip, we need to buy some operational gear like sturdy boots and a reliable tent. So, there you have it, folks. Operational gear is all about the specific tools, equipment, or clothing designed for particular tasks or operations. Whether it's for safety, efficiency, or enjoyment, understanding and using this term can add precision and clarity to your conversations. We hope this video has been informative and has added a useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.